3, 2, 1. Yeah! Hey, bro, check it out. So, I never knew how wide this lens is until I'm just looking at it now. Like, look at this, bro. The majority of you guys probably have never even seen this side of my room before. Yeah! I know for a fact some of y'all have never seen that side of my room. But listen, I'm going to be trying out a brand new angle. Let me know how y'all feel about this in the comment section down below. All right, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, okay? Now, another video, another sneaker pickup. Yes, hashtag it, throw it in the comment section. I came in clutch on these. I don't know how I came in clutch on these. I'm gonna keep it real. I just figured out how to luck up on them, and I lucked up on them, you know? I'm gonna keep it real. I wasn't going after this sneaker. If I didn't have the opportunity to cop it, I would have passed on it because it wasn't necessarily a sneaker that I wanted in my collection because I was definitely on the fence about it. But I came in clutch and I was able to get it. So we are about to get straight into that. Oh! There's a stain, right? There's a big stain on my shirt right here. It looked like somebody on my shoulder, boy. Yo, there's a big stain right there. Is that drool? I must have been slumped in this thing, boy. Hold on, let me go ahead and change my shirt real quick.
2 hours later.
I tell you, bro. I tell you, listen, don't mind me. Stuff like that happens from time to time. But without further ado, before we get into this video, let's go ahead and get into the socials. The socials, meaning the Instagram and the Twitter, is going to be at IMCHRISBRIGGS and at IMCHRISBRIGGS too. Just looking at that right there, I think I'm going to get something to cover that because, like, oh my God. Now, without further ado, boom, boom, boom. Let's go ahead and grab the pickup right here. As you guys can see, we got the Champs bag. And listen, like I said, I lucked up on these. I was not gunning for these at all, but you feel me? Hey, I was able to grab them. On the count of 3, because once I take these out the bag, you're already going to know what shoe it is. On the count of 3. So without further ado, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Yup, you see it. You see it. You see it. Yep, you already see it. And the sneaker that I picked up for today is the Air Jordan 6 Hare. Yes. 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 I picked up these bad boys. The Air Jordan 6 Hare. Now. Okay. I looked at them. Now let's talk. Let's go ahead and be 1,000. Looking at these shoes right here, I think that this shoe is cool. You know what I mean? Just looking at it, I think that is nice. I like how they now if you guys don't know, when it comes to the Air Jordan 6, the Air Jordan 6 Hare is an original colorway, but it is based off of an OG colorway from the Air Jordan 7 Hare. Now, the Air Jordan 7 Hares, I think, are super dope. But looking at these right here, I feel like I still like the Air Jordan 7 Hares better. I just feel like that colorway just fits better on that 7 model. The one thing that I don't like about the Air Jordan 7s right now, just looking at them, is probably this right here. I don't like the bottom. How they switched the bottom and they just made the bottoms red. I kind of understand why they did that, but I would have just rather they just make the bottoms icy or something. I don't know, but then again, maybe if you made the bottom icy, maybe it's taken away from the actual colorway. I don't know. All I'm gonna say is, bro, the shoe is cool. It's a clean colorway, but that bottom right there throws it off for me so bad, bro. That red bottom just throws it off for me so bad. Other than that, the actual shoe is fire. I think that the white upper mixed with like that light gray nubuck on the shoe too, how that color blocking is, I think that that's fire. But yes, that red bottom throws it off in like a dire way. So I'd honestly rather just have the Air Jordan 7s. And just thinking about it even more, I'm not even sure if I really want these in the collection. Purple Jumpman is going to be on the back also. That's a cool touch. Other than that, though, that's pretty much it. You know, $200. You gotta think, bro. I'm copping these sneakers all the time. I gotta keep some of these shoes. The majority of the shoes I keep. So it's like $200 after $200 after $200. You really have to think, all right, is this colorway dope enough, and is this colorway essential enough to just have in the collection? Well, I'll look back on this video years from now and be like, man, I'm so lucky I have the Air Jordan 7 or the Air Jordan 6 Hares. Well, I'll look back on this video years from now and say that I'm not sure. I'm really not too sure on that, you know. Cool shoe, but I just don't know if I want it. I'm feeling pretty indifferent towards it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just let this video breathe for a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys. I want to see how you guys feel about this sneaker also. I'm gonna check out the comment section down below. And then when it comes to the actual sneaker review, that is when I'm going to give like my final thoughts on whether I'm going to be keeping the shoe or not. But without further ado, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. Hey, I'm gonna say this again and again and again as you guys are seeing videos. The more you splash that like button and the more you show me that you're liking these videos, the more stuff I'm going to drop. You feel me? If you show me that you like these videos, that's the more stuff that you're going to see me drop. You feel me? Thank you guys for watching as always. I love y'all. And without further ado, all I have to say is, hey, the Air Jordan 6 Hare. Are you guys messing with these? Are you guys going to pass on these? Let me know in the comment section down below. And blessings. And Chris Briggs signing out.